Classic cafe racer lines, a roaring 648 cubic centimeters parallel twin. And for 2026, Royal Enfield just gave the Continental GT 650 a serious dark mode upgrade. Welcome back to Kallamotto. Today, we're doing a full walk-around of the new GT 650 updates, and we need to talk about that massive 750 cubic centimeters rumor everyone is whispering about. Let's get into it. If you love the retro vibe, but wanted something a little more aggressive, Royal Enfield finally listened. The big news for the 2026 models is the blackout treatment. Gone is the polished chrome on the engine casings and exhausts on these new variants, replaced by a sleek matte black finish. It completely changes the attitude of the bike. They didn't just paint it black and call it a day. Royal Enfield dropped the wire spokes for solid cast alloy wheels, which means tubeless tires right from the factory. Up front, we finally get LED turn signals as standard, and this aggressive little fly screen that cleans up the gauge cluster perfectly. Throwing a leg over, the ergonomics are pure cafe racer. You've got the clip-on handlebars pulling you forward over that beautifully sculpted tank and rear set pegs locking you in. It's a committed stance, but the 270-degree firing order of this twin-cylinder engine makes slicing through the twisties absolutely effortless. Oh, and right here on the switchgear, they've snuck in a USB-C port. Retro style, but you won't be navigating home with a dead phone. But hold on, because the GT story isn't stopping here. If you've been watching the spy shots, there are two massive things on the horizon. First, a fully fared Continental GT. Think classic 70s endurance racer vibes straight from the factory. Second, and more importantly, a new 750 cubic centimeters platform. Test mules have been spotted with dual front disc brakes to handle the extra power. If Enfield drops a 750 cubic centimeters cafe racer, that is going to shake up the entire middleweight class. So, the 2026 updates bring the exact modern touches the GT 650 needed. But with a 750 cubic centimeters potentially around the corner, are you pulling the trigger now or holding out? Let me know down in the comments. Drop a like if you enjoyed the walk around. Make sure you're subscribed to Kallamotto for more automotive deep dives. And I'll catch you in the next one.